Happy birthday, baby! We're here in Oasis, Tansa, Oasis Hotel and Resort sa Tansa, Cavite. Malapit lang siya sa bahay namin. Yan, may slide doon. Maliit lang yung pool. This is actually hotel talaga siya. So, pwede kayong mag-check-in dito. Gusto nyo mag-relax. So, aside from the pool, meron ding beach. May beach na dito and playground para sa mga kids. Yan. Yan yung playground. So, where the kids can play and enjoy. So, para naman sa gusto lang mag-relax, so meron silang mga higaan dito. I mean, upuan na pwede ka makahiga, matulog, or whatsoever. So, doon yung beach na area. Tapos, may cottage din. Yung cottage nila is worth 1,000 pesos until 4 p.m. yun. 6 a.m. hanggang 4 p.m. So worth it if gusto mo talagang mag-relax with your family. And now we're here because we are celebrating 3rd birthday of my son. 3rd Juniel Amugis. Pero is enjoying the pool with his lola. Ayan. Yung anak ko naman isang panganay si Samantha. Summer! Ayan, mga pinsan niya si Kylie and si Christian. Tita and tito niya. Ayan, so pwede kang mag-slide din. Dito yung pambata lang to. Ayan. Yung pambata lang yan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, diretso ka lang dito. Nandun na yung beach. Sa beach. So, nandito naman yung mga cottages. Ibang cottages. Ayan. So, malawak ang cottage nila na 1,200. It's good for like 15 people. Yan yung beach. Ganun lang. Yan yung exit and entrance. Ito yung cottage namin. Yan yung beach. Booking lang. Then from here, doon yung pool.